Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive. If you're into tech reviews, honest opinions, and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a beat. We've got some exciting stuff to talk about today, especially if you're on the hunt for the next best thing in wireless earbuds. So the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are here, or at least right around the corner depending on when you're watching this, and let me tell you, Samsung is clearly not playing games. In 2025 they're aiming straight at Apple's AirPods Pro with this one, and honestly they might just have a serious contender. The first thing that grabs attention is the sleek redesign. These aren't your old Samsung Buds anymore. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro look way more futuristic, with a semi-stem design that actually feels like a blend between Samsung's minimal aesthetic and something AirPods fans would find familiar. The new finish is matte, which looks clean and avoids fingerprint smudges. Major plus. Comfort-wise, they've stepped it up big time. The fit feels secure even during workouts, but they're also lightweight enough to wear for hours. I tried them during a run and during editing sessions, and they stayed snug without any ear fatigue. And yes, they are IPX7 rated, so if you're sweating or caught in the rain, they'll hold up just fine. Now let's talk sound. Samsung's using a dual driver setup this time, and it's obvious they've tuned it to go head-to-head with Apple. The bass hits hard but doesn't overpower mids or vocals, and the highs are crisp without being sharp. Whether you're listening to podcasts or pumping up your gym playlist, these things deliver. It feels balanced but powerful, which is rare in this price range. Active noise cancellation is where Samsung really made a leap. The ANC is aggressive but not unnatural. It shuts out subway noise, office chatter, or gym chaos really well, and the transparency mode feels natural, like you're not even wearing earbuds. That's one area where Samsung has often lagged behind Apple in the past, but this time it's honestly just as good, if not better. Battery life is solid. You get up to 6 hours with ANC on, and 26 total with the case, and the case supports fast charge, which gives you an hour of playback with just a 5-minute top-up. Wireless charging is also included, and finally the case design is compact enough to fit into any pocket. Connectivity-wise, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro pair instantly with Samsung devices and also work great on iPhones and other Android phones thanks to the Galaxy Wearable app. You've got customizable touch controls, voice detection, and even 360 audio if you're into spatial sound experiences. So are the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro better than AirPods Pro 2 or 3? It depends what you care about. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, AirPods still have a slight edge in seamless integration, but if you're open to crossing over or already using a Samsung or Android phone, the Buds 3 Pro offer better sound, better ANC, and better battery life, all at a competitive price point. In 2025, it's refreshing to see Samsung finally nailing the complete package. They look good, sound great, and they perform across the board without compromise. Whether you're an audiophile, gym rat, or just want something reliable, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro might just be the earbuds of the year. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment telling us your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Dive for more no-fluff tech reviews and comparisons. Catch you in the next one.